Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online class Ekalaiva. See, this is 12th standard business maths state board, chapter 3, exercise 3.3, third sum. The demand function P equal to 85 minus 5x and supply function P equal to 3x minus 35. Calculate the equilibrium price. What is that equilibrium? Demand equal to supply. And the quantity demand, also calculate consumer surplus. Consumer surplus. See here, first demand function. Demand function you can take it as PD. PD equal to what is the value? 85 minus 5x. Next supply function. Supply function you can take it as what? PS. PS equal to 3x minus 35 at equilibrium price. At equilibrium price. At equilibrium price, demand equal to supply. PD equal to PS. PD equal to PS. 85 minus 5x equal to 3x minus 35. From that you find out the value of x. So 85 plus 35. 85 plus 35, you can bring this 35 to the left hand side. What is the answer for this? 3x plus 5x. 3x plus 5x. So 8x. 8x equal to 120. X equal to 120 by 8. What is the value? It is equal to 15. X equal to 15. Now you should find out the value of P naught. P naught equal to, you can take it as a demand value. 85 minus 5 into, what? 85 minus 5 into x naught. You can take it as this value, x naught equal to 15. So P naught equal to 85 minus 5 into 15. So it gives 85 minus 75. What is the value for this? 10. So what is the value for P naught x naught? P naught x naught equal to 10 into 15. The value is equal to what? 150. Now we move on to find out the value of consumer surplus. What is consumer surplus? What is the formula for consumer surplus? Integral 0 to x naught f of x dx, f of x dx minus p naught x naught, minus p naught x naught. Integral consumer surplus equal to integral 0 to x naught f of x dx, f of x dx minus p naught x naught. It gives integral 0 to x naught value is what? 15 into f of x dx. What is the demand function? 85 minus 5x. 85 minus 5x minus p naught x naught value is what? 150 into dx minus 150. Now we are going to integrate the value 85x minus 5x square by 2. What is the limit? 0 to 15. The limit is 0 to 15 minus 150. 0 to 15 minus 150. Now you can substitute the upper limit minus lower limit. It gives upper limit 85 into 15 minus 5 into 15 square by 2. Upper limit minus lower limit. 0 into any number? 0. Because all the values, all the terms contain x. So any term multiplied by 0, you are getting the value 0 minus 150. So what is the value? 85 into 15. You can do it everything and check the answer. Okay. 1275 minus 5 into 15 square is nothing but 225 by 2 minus 150. So 1275 minus 225 into 5 is 1125 by 2 minus 150. So consumer surplus equal to 1275 minus 1125 by 2. What is the answer? 562.5 minus 150 minus 150. So it gives 1275 minus 562.5 minus 150. So what is the answer for this? 1275 minus, you can add both the values, you are getting the value 712.50. What is the final thing? Final thing is rupees, consumer surplus rupees 562.50. See the fourth sum. The demand function for a commodity is P equal to e power minus x. Find the consumer surplus when P equal to 0.5. They have given us demand function. Demand function P equal to e power minus x. Then P value also they have given as 0.5. So you can take it as P naught equal to, that is the initial stage, P naught equal to 0.5. So 0.5, substitute in this equation, P naught equal to e power minus x naught. So P naught value is what? 0.5 equal to e power minus x naught. E power minus x naught, 0.5 means 1 by 2. So I can take it as 0.5 value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 equal to e power minus x naught. The power is in negative, so I can bring it into the denominator. Becomes 1 by 2 equal to 1 by e power x naught. Equating right hand side and left hand side, what is the value of e power x naught equal to 2. Taking log on both the sides, log of e power x naught equal to log 2. So e log get cancelled. What is the value of x naught? Log e value is 1. So x naught equal to log 2. What is the value of x naught? X naught equal to log 2. Then you should find out the value of P naught x naught. P naught value is 1 by 2. X naught value is what? Log 2. X naught value is log 2. So you should find out the value of consumer surplus. Consumer surplus equal to integral 0 to x naught f of x dx minus P naught x naught minus P naught x naught. So what is the limit? What is the limit for x naught? Log 2. 0 to log 2. What is the value of f of x? E power minus x into dx minus P naught x naught value is what? 1 by 2 log 2. 1 by 2 log 2. See, consumer surplus equal to integral 0 to log 2 e power minus x dx minus of 1 by 2 log 2. See here, consumer surplus equal to integration of e power minus x. Integral e power x is e power x. But x coefficient you can write it in the denominator. So e power minus x, what is the x coefficient? Minus 1. The limit is given 0 to log 2 minus 1 by 2 log 2. Minus 1 by 2 log 2. Now you can substitute minus e power minus x, limit 0 to log 2 minus 1 by 2 log 2. Minus 1 by 2 log 2. So minus you can take it out, substitute upper limit minus lower limit. What is the upper limit? E power minus log 2 minus lower limit is e power minus 0 minus 1 by 2 log 2, minus 1 by 2 log 2. See here, see it gives minus, that minus 1 you can bring it to the power rule, you can apply the power rule. See here, e power log of 2 power minus 1, apply the power rule, minus e power 0 minus 1 by 2 log 2, e power log value is 1. So it gives minus 2 power minus 1, because e power log value is 1, minus anything to the power 0 value is also 1, minus 1 minus 1 by 2 log 2. So it gives minus 2 power minus 1, we can write it in a form of what? 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 log 2, minus 1 by 2 log 2. You can take the LCM, 2 as the LCM, minus 2 as the LCM, 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 2 log 2, minus 1 by 2 log 2. So consumer surplus equal to minus of minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into log 2. Minus into minus become plus. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 log 2. So consumer surplus equal to 1 by 2, you can take it as commonly out, 1 minus log 2, 1 minus log 2 base E. See the fifth sum, calculate the producer surplus at x equal to 5 for the supply function P equal to 7 plus x. So producer surplus, what is the formula for producer surplus? P naught x naught minus integral 0 to x naught g of x dx, g of x dx, P naught x naught minus integral, the limit is 0 to x naught g of x dx, x naught x equal to 5, you can take it as x naught equal to 5. What is the value of P? P equal to 7 plus x, P naught equal to 7 plus x naught, P naught equal to 7 plus what is the value of x naught? X naught equal to 5. So it gives 12, P naught x naught, P naught x naught equal to 12 into 5, 12 into 5, 60. Now we move on to find out the value of producer surplus. Producer surplus equal to P naught x naught value is 60 minus integral 0 to x naught, the limit is 5, g of x, P supply function P is 7 plus x into dx, 7 plus x into dx. See here, producer surplus PS equal to 60 minus integrate 7 into dx, integral dx value is x, so 7x plus x square by 2, what is the limit? 0 to 5, the limit is 0 to 5, so it gives 60 minus, substitute the upper limit 7 into 5 plus 5 square by 2, 5 square by 2 minus lower limit 0 into any number 0. So 60 minus 35, 35 plus 25 by 2, 25 by 2, it gives 60 minus 35 plus 25 by 2, you can write as what? 12.5. 12.5. So it gives 60 minus 47, 47.5. 60 minus 47.5. So producer surplus equal to 60 minus 47.5. It gives 12.5. 12.5. Producer surplus equal to 12.5. So you will write it as producer surplus equal to 12.5 units. Consumer surplus and producer surplus, you will write it as unit form, units. Seventh sum, the demand function for a commodity is P equal to 36 by x plus 4. Find the consumer surplus when the market price. What is that market price? That is P. You can take it as P naught equal to 6. P naught equal to 6 market price. Okay. So P equal to 36 by x plus 4. P naught equal to 36 by x naught plus 4. So you can substitute P naught equal to 6 here. Substitute P naught, substitute P naught equal to 6 in second equation. What is the value we are getting? 6. 6 equal to 36 by 6 equal to 36 by x naught plus 4. 6 6 are 6 1s are 6 6 are. So x naught plus 4 equal to 6. What is the value of x naught? X naught equal to 6 minus 4. X naught equal to 2. That is output equal to 2. P naught x naught. P naught is nothing but market price into output. It gives 6 into 2, its value is 12. The value is 12. Now you should find out the consumer surplus. Consumer surplus formula is integral 0 to x naught f of x dx minus P naught x naught. It gives integral 0 to x naught value is what? 2. F of x is 36 by x plus 4 into dx minus P naught x naught value is 12. Okay. So 36 is constant. You can take it out. Integral 0 to 2 1 by x plus 4 into dx minus 12. Integral, see here, differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of 4 is 0. When we differentiate the denominator, we are getting the value of the numerator. What we are going to write? Yeah, log of. Log of it gives 36 into log of modulus of x plus 4. Log of modulus of x plus 4. What is the limit? 0 to 2. 0 to 2 minus 12. 0 to 2 minus 12. Here see the 36 into, you can substitute the upper limit. Upper limit is log of 2 plus 4 is 6. Log 6 minus log of 0 plus 4 is 4 minus 12. So what is the formula for log m minus log n? Equal to log of m by n. Log of m by n. So it gives 36 into log of 6 by 4 minus 12. What is the consumer surplus value here? 36 log of 3 by 2. Log of 3 by 2 minus 12 units. Minus 12 units.